Hello! Today I would like to talk about the Shadowcast by Genki Things. I've just got mine from my Indiegogo contribution and would like to do an unboxing for you all today. So without further ado, I bring you the Shadowcast. Now, this may seem a little awkward because I'm going to be doing the unboxing in a reverse form factor situation here. I don't have anything to clip my webcam to otherwise. So I'm going to just go ahead and do this on my laptop. We're going to slide this out through here. And we will just flip this over. Take that out. Open that up. And this is what you see when you first open the box. Now it says up here, do not forget the cable. So, okay, there's the cable. This is the cable we'll be using. It connects directly from USB-C over here to USB-C there. So make sure that you get the adapter if you don't want to just use USB-C, and it comes with its own instruction manual. And it comes with stickers. I don't know what this little guy is, but it's a sticker of some kind of robot guy, I think. And his gun looks like a Shadowcast. That's nifty. Okay, so this should be my first attempt in trying to turn on my console with the Shadowcast in it, and it should be fairly simple to pick up in OBS. I'm using OBS to record this, and I do a lot of console gaming and stuff whenever I'm not on stream that I would like to be able to stream, and this should be a fairly simple thing for me. Now all I had to do was plug it into the back of my SNES Micro and plug in the USB adapter to my computer. I already have a USB-C adapter plugged into my USB-A output. So we'll go ahead and get this going. I'm just going to boot the console right quick. I hear it, but I don't see it. Huh. Well, that's awkward. Okay, so we ran into a slight hiccup, and what the problem was I didn't use window capture. I was trying to use a Shadowcast, or the Shadowcast as a webcam input, and that did not work properly, so I used window capture to get this. So let's see how gameplay goes. Go with something easy like Super Mario. It's definitely responsive. Very quick. My HD 60 Pro, I would not be able to play live like this. I obviously suck at the game, but you get the point. It's very responsive, very quick. Yep, I'm absolutely awful at this. Yoshi, come on. I'm gonna try to finish the level right quick. Alright, so we managed to finish a level on Super Mario without dying too many times. So let's continue on to a more demanding console. I have my Switch here we're going to switch to. So here we will be testing the Genki with the Switch. Very responsive yet still. We're going to try a racing game, because those are a little bit more demanding than most. I mean, it's probably not as demanding as Breath of the Wild would be, but I don't have like a big selection to pick from, and I feel like Breath of the Wild gameplay would be just kind of strange. So we're going to do just a regular race, easy mode, just to make me look good, you know. Ooh, I unlocked a new car, okay. That's neat and dandy, but I don't want it. I want my car. Okay. I'm obviously not that good at games. But I'm semi-decent at racing games, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm in second place, I'm not doing that bad. Alright. So I believe this is the first race almost completed. Like it. All right, so we completed the race, and there was virtually no lag input. Like, I did notice a couple of situations where it was not instantaneous, but it was fast enough to where I was able to compensate, so it's not like it's going to be that big of an issue. So, in conclusion, I believe that the Genki is a really nice product. It's extremely fast for what it does, and it's extremely compact. It fit in my Nintendo Switch case, no issues, no problems. Connects to pretty much anything, just fairly simple, just HDMI and the Type-C port on the back. It did not get very hot for the time that I was playing on it, and I think it's a great product. If you haven't picked one up for yourself for streaming or anything, it's a great product and I believe you should do so. I also stream on Twitch. You may be able to catch some live streams of me using it on my Twitch account, which I'm going to have pop up somewhere around here or something, I don't know. So yeah, catch me live sometime on Twitch. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and follow for more content like this in the future. Alright, take care, be safe, have fun, and don't do anything I wouldn't do. See you next time, gamers.